Hey there! In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the full process of creating a team in Jira for 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a team from scratch, add your members, and connect that team to projects so you can collaborate more effectively, whether you're working with a small group or across your entire organization. Let's jump right in and get started. First, let's head over to the top navigation bar in Jira, where you'll find an option labeled Teams. It might sound simple, but locating this menu is the foundation for everything else you'll do with Teams in Jira. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan across the navigation. Sometimes menus shift a little depending on your configuration. Once you've got it, click on Teams, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to select Create Team. This tells Jira that you're starting a fresh team from the ground up, and it triggers the Setup Wizard, which will guide you through the essentials. You'll then be prompted to enter a name for your new team. Give it a clear, descriptive name that makes sense to everyone who might see it. For example, if you're building a team for your marketing campaign, something like Q3 Marketing Launch makes it immediately obvious what the focus is. Remember, a good team name is like a label on a folder. It helps everyone quickly know where they belong. Next, it's time to add team members. This is where you bring your collaborators into the fold. If your teammates are already using Jira within your organization, you can simply start typing their names or emails and select them from the list. But, and this is important, if someone isn't on Jira yet, you might need to invite them first. Don't worry if it takes a moment to get everyone added. Inviting your team ensures they'll all have access to the right tools and notifications. Once your roster looks good, click Create a Team to finalize the setup. This is the point where your team actually comes to life in Jira. It's officially ready to start working together. A reassuring message or quick animation lets you know you're successful. Right after that, you'll notice you can click View Team to see your new team's overview. I always recommend taking this extra couple seconds. Think of it as checking over your work. Here, you can double-check who's in the team, edit details, or get an overall sense of your new group. Now, let's connect your team to a plan. This is done in the Teams view within your project plan. So, navigate there and look for the button labeled Plus Add Team. When you click it, Jira gives you two options. You can either create a new team, if you missed the earlier steps, or you can add an existing team from your organization. If you're following along, you'll probably want the second option. But if you are creating a new team from here, you'll get to choose the type of team. There are two flavors. Available across organization means the team is visible to everyone, also known as an Atlassian team. The other choice, Plan Only, sets up a team just for your current plan. Great for ad hoc projects or temporary work groups. Make your selection, follow the prompts to name the team and add members again, then save your changes. All right, nearly done. To link your new team to a specific Jira space or project, go to that project and look for the team icon in the sidebar next to the project name. Click it, search for the team you want to add, and then click Add. You can always click the icon again if you want to add more teams, or, if you need to, select Manage Contributing Teams to adjust or remove existing ones. And that's it. You've officially set up your team in Jira, added members, and connected them to projects and plans. If any step takes a little trial and error, that's totally normal, especially as your organization grows and changes. Thanks for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a like, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides just like this one. See you next time.